And you can see here that Kathy Cohen, who is the risk management advisor, has the first step in the approval process. It's passed to her to view the case as well as relevant information such as the student's GPA and their submitted requirements to make her decision on the application. If it's approved, it goes to the next step. If it's denied, there's a field update to the status of denial, as well as locking the record from being edited further, and an email alert to the student's email to let them know of this action. However, if Kathy Cohen approves, then it's sent to the next step, which is approved by Dr. David Eccles, who again has the same visible information of the student's case as Kathy Cohen did. And if he approves it, this is the last step, and a email alert is sent out, as well as a field update. If he denies it, the same actions previously will occur. I would just like to state that our community builder is quite user-friendly. It enables a good view for students to see their case throughout the pipeline of the duration of its existence, as well as see relevant information such as the status, the date and time opened, and who's created it. We're also able to see here from our submitted case that a lot of this information is relevant from not only risk management but other departments, so it'll be quite universal once it's implemented into the university's system for processing applications. So this will reduce a lot of headache from different departments having to congregate disparate data that is never an easy thing to do. So I would like to thank you for your time and hope to see you on the next one.